Hi, my name is Jackie. I'm from North Carolina, and I love all the new LadyBoss Labs products. They're all really amazing. But if I had to pick just one to be my favorite, it would be the LadyBoss Rest. I have always had a hard time falling asleep and staying asleep, and with rest, I don't have that. I'm able to easily fall asleep. I don't wake up 2 to 3 times during the night anymore, and I wake up feeling well rested and refreshed. There isn't like a gross taste like there is when you take a lot of vitamins or pills, and that is one of my favorite things about it. Having the positive results of feeling well rested in the morning is something that I can't compare to any other product. So I would recommend LadyBoss Rest to anyone who has any kind of difficulty sleeping. Maybe you don't have all of the different kinds of problems that I had. Like, I had a hard time falling asleep and staying asleep. But if you have a hard time falling asleep, or if you have a hard time staying asleep, or if you don't feel well rested in the morning, if you take LadyBoss Rest, you will feel any and all of those things. It's amazing.